Now, in lesson 25, we look at X, Y and Z. These letters were appropriated, the Y and Z appropriated from the Greek alphabet when they appropriated some of their words. They did admire the Greek culture. The X is top to bottom. The crossing should be just above the centre line. So if you can make sure it's above the centre line, it will look more attractive. The Y is done, it's called an ypsilon in Greek, or an upsilon, some people say. Top to bottom, it's a V shape, followed by a downstroke. Usually you do stroke 1, then you go down and straighten it up. So you change the angle in the centre. So you come down to the middle point, then come down and straighten up. And the Z was very out of favour with the Romans, generally speaking, and they kicked it down to the last letter of the alphabet. You really need to keep the top stroke parallel with the bottom, and the trick to make a nice Z is always to lift the end of the Z like a snow ski. So you come along and just lift the end. It looks much more handsome that way. Now that is the end of the Roman capitals, and it's an area you may find you want to do further research into, and you have my blessing as your penmanship teacher. Thank you.